So we got some images here, some more images of the new Motorola 50 Plus that's coming out, Razr 50 Plus that's coming out in June apparently. So the rumor right now is Motorola is going to release this phone this upcoming month, which is 5 days away. So sometime in June we're going to see this phone released, and it's going to get interesting. If you guys have not seen my recent video about this, pretty much here's the summary. The budget version of the phone, which, as you know, last year was very much like a very small display, and that's what made it the budget version. It wasn't the beautiful, humongous display we saw on the Plus variant. That variant now is going to have a big display as well. So you're not going to be really sacrificing anything when it comes to outside display, going with the budget version. Now, obviously, you won't get as updated / amazing product as you will with the Plus variant, but you're not going to have to sacrifice, the outside display being big if you go with the budget variant, which I really think is an amazing idea and love to see that is happening. But again, I'm very excited to see, when this comes out, everything about it. So I'm gonna guess, so this is the budget variant outside here, where you can see it's still a big outside display, but this area right here is not as big as, for example, the Ultra variant, which is going to be this whole entire outside shell is going to be a display. While this one, it's still a very big display, and if you compare it very similarly to, let's say, for example, the Z Flip 5, for example, or Z Flip 4, say Z Flip 4, it's better, right? Or not better, but it's very similar, right? So I like this better. I think that the very small outside display was kind of a little bit too much when it came to okay, well, you're not really able to use it. I know this is a budget version, but I feel like it should have a little bit more to it. And now we're seeing that with the, budget variant this upcoming year. So I'm excited for this phone. I'm definitely picking this phone up. I'm not picking up the Z Flip 6. I refuse to. I have a Z Flip 5. I love the Z Flip 5. But I'm picking up the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and I might pick up the budget version too, just to kind of compare the two, because they both look really amazing. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.